To fix battery drain on the Redmi A7 Pro, first of all, you will have to start by opening security application. And right now go for deep clean, select uninstall apps. And right now you will have to select every application that you are just not using. And now by selecting uninstall with a single button click, as you can see, we can remove 24 apps that I'm actually not using, and every of this application is draining my battery in the background, connecting to the network, which actually takes the battery but also reduce performance, and also it actually occupy the internal storage. So now when you remove everything, go back. And here we can also find another great tool, that security scan for viruses and other malware, because if you have like any virus on your phone, it will drain your battery. So we have to check for 100% for all of those privacy, security, and also the viruses. If there will be any problem, here you can find a solution for this one. But for me, as you can see, everything is fine. Now we have to go for settings and we have to turn off all of those features that are secretly turned on in the background, and every of this feature drain the battery. First of all, we have to start from location. If you are not using Google Maps right now, you can just simply turn it off because location drain a lot of battery. Next, go for location services and remember to turn off the Wi-Fi scanning, but also the same for a Bluetooth scanning. And another feature that you should turn off, location accuracy. And if you are wondering why, well, take a look. Here when we read this information, so Google actually process a lot of information about our device sensors and wireless signals near our phone to contribute the crowdsourced wireless signal location. Now you will have to go for Google. And over here, what you have to turn off, it will be available when you go for all services and select this usage and diagnostics. Make sure that you are gonna turn it off. Now you will have to go for applications screen, and now what you have to do, you have to manage background auto start. So you have to turn off all of those applications that can start in the background, because if there's like application in the background, then it's draining your battery. But also we can manage the battery restriction for each application. So if you set up that the background auto start, but still some applications keep draining battery in the background, you have to go for this application in this screen, and you have to go for power and select this restrict background apps and click OK. Now you have to open that fingerprints, face data, and the screen lock settings. And over here you have to go for privacy and make sure that you are gonna turn off this one. Enroll in the user experience program. Then go to the sound and vibration and make sure that you are gonna turn off all of those vibrations and sound settings that you are not really using, because every vibration and every little sound taking your battery. So the sounds we can find in the additional settings, like for example play sound when uninstalling apps, when you take a screenshot, when you're locking device, when deleting something, when connecting to the charger, or for example when you are selecting numbers on the dial pad. Now you will have to go for the display and the brightness, and the real game changer is the dark mode. You will see much improvement when you select this one, but also make sure that you are gonna turn off outdoor mode and enable that automatic brightness. Now go to the refresh rate and make sure that you are gonna force to run in the 60 Hz, or you are gonna use the default one that your phone will select refresh rate based on the specific activities that you are using on your phone. Next, you will have to open the home screen settings, and what I can also recommend you to turn off that -1 screen, and right now go for a lock screen where you have to turn off the wallpaper carousel. So this is that feature that change your wallpaper automatically every time that you are gonna unlock your phone. Now go for that Xiaomi interconnectivity, turn off interconnectivity if you are not using this, the same for Xiaomi Share. And remember also to turn off Bluetooth if you are not connected with some Bluetooth devices like headphones, earbuds, or for example speaker, and the same for the Wi-Fi. So if you are connected, for example, into the mobile data, you can turn off Wi-Fi, but if you are connected into the Wi-Fi, then you can simply turn off a mobile data by going over here. And also remember to often update your software, because if there's like known problem with the battery, then the Xiaomi can actually bring you a new update with a lot of solutions. So we have to check for this, update, install it. As you can see, here you can find 500 megabytes of update. So you'll have to click to download it and then apply. And also you will have to remember that if you are using some live wallpaper, animated or 3D wallpaper, it also drains your battery, so you should get this stock wallpaper without any animations.